Alright, so we're going to talk about adding and subtracting integers. So when you add numbers, you're going to get bigger, so you're going to move to the right on the number line. When you subtract numbers, you're getting smaller, so you're going to move to the left on the number line. Alright, so here's an example number 1. It shows us starting at -5, and then we're moving to the right 8 units, okay, which gives us 3, positive 3. Alright. Here's another way to do it. You start at -2, so you go from 0 to -2, and then you're going to the left 5 units, and you end up on -3. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to add and subtract integers on the number line. So let's look at our examples. Alright, so I'm going to start at -9. So -9 is here. And then I'm going to move to the right. The plus sign tells me I'm going to the right because all the positive numbers are to the right. So the plus sign tells you to go to the right. So I'm start at 9, and I'm going to move to positive. I'm going to go positive 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I land on -5. Alright, so -9 plus 4 is -5. Alright, next example, I'm going to start on positive 3. And I'm going to move to the left because we have a -7. So I'm going to go 7 spaces to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I end up at -4. Alright, here I'm at -2. Negative sign tells me I'm going to the left. So I'm going to go to the left 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I stop at -9. So -2 minus 7 is -9. Alright, I'm going to start at positive 6. And I'm going to go to the left, because negative sign, minus sign means you're going to the left, 14 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I land on -8. So 6 minus 14 is -8. Next example, I'm going to start on -3. Plus sign means I'm going to the right, 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I get a positive 7. Alright, so I start at -6. -6 minus 4, I'm going to go to the left 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I end up on -10. Alright, so anytime you see 2 negatives beside each other, you can change that to a positive. Okay, so I'm starting at -5, right? And I'm going to go forward or to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I end up on positive 2. Okay, so don't let those signs fool you. When you have a negative, that makes a positive. Okay, those are your notes. I forgot to add one thing. You can also use these circles to show negative and positive numbers. So I'm going to do 9 red. We want to do different colors to make sure that you can distinguish between the two. So I'm going to do the positive and 4. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark out 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is -5. So you can use the little integer circles to show the negative numbers and the positive numbers, or you can do it as we were doing it on the number line. Okay?